Well, I just got the kick panel back on the car, and let me show you guys something before I put the other side on, just in case you're wondering about screw and bolt sizes. Most of these are 8/32 3/4, and there's a few threaded spots where it actually has threads, and then there's a couple that don't, and you could probably do a machine screw. You can also do, I'm just going to use the same 8/32, and then I have some speed nuts for the other side. Up in the front there is, I think in the assembly manual it calls for an actual nut and bolt, but you can basically, if you want, you can use the same 8/32, and then if you want, so for under here, and on this car there isn't even a hole there, so there's one that goes under, and I think I'm going to skip that one for right now. I don't know, I might drill a hole, but there's no hole right now, so I'm just going to attach it on the sides. I think it's fine. And anyway, I hope that helps you. And of course, just like any little project that you go do, it's not that simple, because apparently somebody got some body filler in there, and that somebody could have been me, although I don't think so. Anyway, there's something in there I got to pick out. Of course, you can't just go do a job. You have to always do another job before you can do the job that you wanted to do. Anyway, hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Okay, hold on. Before we go, look at this, you guys. So it's not just that it was clogged. Somebody has replaced what should look like that. I guess they put a giant screw in here or something, and then the head broke off. So now now I have to take that out before I can finish this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't really feel like doing that right now. So maybe I'll just mount this up and I'll leave that out for right now, and then I'll come back later when it's not like 100 degrees out here, and deal with that. Isn't that nice? I think I should maybe give it a name. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, see you later.